What's up, y'all? This one should be real short. And a lot of us really know the FJ Cruiser like the back of our hand. What if I can show you something you didn't know about? Let me see if that works. What I was saying is, you don't need to have a snorkel on your FJ. As long as you got a snorkel in your FJ. But this is all about water. Water getting into your airbox. For those of us that don't have a snorkel, this is where our air comes in. Right here, behind the turn light assembly, right above the fender wheel arch. Snorkel or no snorkel, this is your air box. Water and dirt and dust comes in right here. For the water to raise up above the highest point here to the lowest point here, it's almost a straight line. So you got to be making some aggressive turns or have an aggressive amount of water for an aggressive amount of time for water to get into your engine. But yeah, it can still happen. But dust, look at all this. This is Moab red fine talcum sand powder. If you've ever been to Moab, this goes everywhere. If it gets wet, it sticks to everything. Right here is something that most of us, I didn't know until recently, don't know what we have. This right here, this is called a valve. Notice how it's inverted down and it comes to a triangle point there. And this right here is what you need to clean out every couple years. Let me show you. It just pulls right off. It's very easy. It's just on lips all the way around. You cannot screw this up. See? That's where it goes. Now, what happens is water comes in there first and it goes down into this little hole. At that hole, you've got this valve. It's basically kind of like a nipple that you would find on a baby's bottle. Look at that. So when it's upside down like this, water gets in here, it's going to drain out of there without you doing anything. Just the gravity feed of it is going to let the water flow through here and get out. But it will drain given time. Pretty cool, huh? You cannot access from the inside here. You got to pull this off. Now, when I pulled this off a week ago, as I was just learning about this and thinking about how am I going to make a video that's better than this other guy's. Quick disclaimer. This square nipple dust relief valve is only for the 2011 to a 2014 FJ Cruisers. If you've got a 2007 through 10 FJ Cruiser, yours is going to be round and it's going to be closer to the fender because your airbox is more in the middle. It's different. But if you follow the path of the air out to the fender, you'll find it. When I first opened this up and pulled this out, this was like full of, best way I can describe it is a bunch of debris. But this right here is called, Toyota calls it a valve dust relief. Now, watch me put it back in. You can see this. Basically, it just snaps on like that. You feel when it's on. Pretty easy, and you didn't know that, did you? All right, that's all I got. I'm out of here. See ya.